Oh dear, we've got a bit of a problem.
I think we're in real trouble. The bird attack plague, call it what you like.
Alright, 2 rounds to the Seagull. Yeah, I feel good about that. There's the yacht behind me. See that pesky seagull on the boom? They've made a bit of a nest on board. So there's 3 eggs. I just approached the boat and got absolutely dive bombed, and they are not happy. They've got a shit land on my head, almost. Just missed me. Got my arm a little bit. Yeah, so first step, I'm gonna deploy this guy. Oh dear. See what we can do, eh? Right, got the little paddle for backup, and we're gonna go in. Just drop her off on the deck and see what we can do. Yep, coming for ya. Oi! Calling him back up. They're calling him back up. They're calling him back up. The owl has been deployed. The owl is on board. See what happens. They're not scared of the owl. The owl is doing... My $10 owl isn't doing a lot, is it? Oh dear. I'm gonna go in again. See what we can do. Get off my boat. Get off. God. What a nightmare. Oh, another bomb. Bomb's being dropped. Oh, wait. Oh no. Alright, 2 rounds to the Seagull. 2-0 to the Seagulls. Got gloves on for handling the eggs. And gonna go back in. Round 3. You can't get me, I'm pinned behind the mast. Whew. Round 3 goes to JB. Got the motor going, left the mooring, and the seagulls have stayed on a boat next to the mooring. So now I can dispose of the nest. Feel a little bit bad, but they are rats with wings. So I'm just chugging out of the bay. I'll whip these bad boys out of the boat and get down to cleaning. Whew, that was an adrenaline rush. Jeez, I'd rather not follow me. When we come back, the boat's gonna have birdie number 1. And there's another guy in here who you'll see later. And a whole load of netting. It is rather unpleasant right now, and I'll be getting in my wetsuit pretty soon. And to stay in that all day, I reckon. It's going to be more comfortable than this. There's no other boats on the water. Such an awful day. Absolutely grim. But look at that beach. Nice beach. Lovely. Still beautiful on the daylight today. Just come into the beach. I'm probably a little bit too close in. Might just come out a bit. Just dragging a bit, so I'm going to reset. Just going to click it very gently in reverse. See if I can lay this out single-handed. Take it out of reverse. And it looks like that's holding. Here's the nest and the coil of my main sheet. Maybe I'll try and put them on the beach. I feel bad. I'll stick them on the beach, eh? They're gonna die anyway, that's the problem. Potentially. Okay. Okay, Aggies. Getting out of here. Goanna or something will probably get you. Unfortunately. Look at her. Beauty. It's a beauty now, it doesn't have a frickin' bird's nest in it. Yeah, I feel good about that. Played my part, you know? Right. I'm gonna get in the water. Hopefully there's no guys in grey suits. That'd be nice. The birds, no more crap on the deck, no more nesting. So I've just pulled the anchor up and leaving the little bay. What a beautiful spot. And I'm gonna head back to the mooring and get these deterrents set up, and then I'm gonna get out of this wetsuit and get dry. I've rigged up gull deterrent netting, and this guy up here. So, it's going to make it hard to pick up the mooring with all this netting. Oh, that bird keeps tripping me out. I keep thinking that's a seagull coming to attack me. If it fools me, then hopefully it'll fool them. Only fools me for a split second though. Okay, here we go. Around somewhere, I know it. I know it. Here they come. Here they are. Here they are. Hey guys, it's Tom here. So that brings us to the end of another video for Weekend Wanderers. Unfortunately, the GoPro ran out of space on the SD card, so we didn't end up capturing the rest of that whole experience with the seagulls there. But rest assured that no seagulls were harmed in the making of this video. But anyway, that's the end of that. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more content from us, please go ahead and subscribe and like the video and comment below anything you reckon that we should be checking out in future adventures. And as always, thank you so much for the support. We'll see you next time.